Do you want to get rid of your dark knees and elbows? Getting rid of dark knees and elbows is tough because the collection of dead skin cell is more in those areas. Here are a few home remedies that will surely help you get rid of your dark knees and elbows. So without wasting a second, let's get started. The first remedy is lemon and sugar. Cut the lemon into half and apply sugar on the inside of one half of the lemon and gently rub it on your elbow and knees in circular motion. Lemon is the best natural bleaching agent that is used for lightening dark skin. It is also effective for lightening age spots and freckles to give you a flawless and younger looking skin. Sugar crystals act as a natural scrub that helps in removing the layer of dead skin cells. The second remedy is apple cider vinegar. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 5 tablespoons of water. Mix them together. Now use a cotton ball and apply the solution on your elbows and knees. Apple cider vinegar is a major remedy used for skin and beauty care. It has the properties to provide treatment to your dark knees and elbows. It can lighten your skin and is a faster treatment than others. Now leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with cold water. The third remedy is aloe vera. Simply apply the aloe vera gel on your knees and elbow before your bedtime and leave it overnight. Aloe vera contains the natural depigmenting compound Aloe, which lightens dark skin and elbows. With regular application, aloe vera can also reverse skin damage, repair the skin barrier, and keep your knees and elbow moisturized throughout the day. If you don't have time to make all these home remedies and want to get even toned hand and leg, then I have the best product for you. Presenting the Dermaco soap and body washes. Dermaco has 2 variants of body washes and soaps for different body concerns. The vitamin C body wash and Kojic acid soap for even tone and bright skin, and the salicylic acid body wash and salicylic acid soap for body acne. Take a coin size of body wash on your palm and apply it on your wet body. The 1% vitamin C daily glow body wash is powered with vitamin C, kojic acid and arbutin to lighten dark elbows, knees and overall body. On the other hand, the kojic acid plus L-glutathione daily scented soap with the dream team helps in reducing pigmentation and melanin production to make the skin brighter and free from dark spots. You can also use this coupon code for 20% off on these products. Do you know why I love using Dermaco's product? Because all new products of Dermaco are fragrance free, and every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help more than 10,000 students across the year. Now let's look forward to our next remedy. The fourth remedy is coconut oil and coffee. Mix 1 teaspoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to make a thick paste. Now apply the paste on your knees and elbow and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Coffee acts as a great scrub and removes the skin of dirt and dead skin cell buildup. It also improves blood circulation to make the skin soft, smooth and glowing. Coconut oil is an age-old remedy to get soft and silky skin. It also contains vitamin E, which can lighten the pigmentation and restore the original skin tone. The fifth remedy is coffee and honey scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of coffee and scrub the paste on your knees and elbows for 10 minutes. As I said earlier, coffee acts as a great scrub. So we are going to use coffee to exfoliate the thick skin, while the moisturizing properties present in honey enables it to easily seep into the skin while conditioning it and softening it from deep within.